Something big is happening here in Macau. They got fans everywhere. We're gonna walk around and try to find out where they're all coming from. But you can see there's people all over the place. And I'm gonna do it with my daughter right here. And we're gonna find out what this is all about. So stay tuned. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So they're capturing that bus right there because the bus has the concert, so you can see all the people that are capturing that all the way around here. And we're just enjoying some pizza. Okay, so throughout this whole area you can see people with those little signs right there, those two, and you can see it everywhere because there's a big concert here. So we're going to try to stroll around, and we're going to go towards the origin of it. So we're going to try to find where that concert's at, see what we can capture. And I'm with my daughter today there. Okay. Okay, so we got long lines all the way throughout. Just even for this 7-Eleven. And we got long lines down that way too. So we're gonna try to go down it and see if we can find the source of this, where it's all coming from. And we see a pedestrian street over here too. So they've roped this street off for pedestrians only, and it's kind of connected to the concert. So I guess we're gonna walk up the street, try to get a feel for what's going on exactly. Huh. So you got people all lined up in this whole space in here. There's Cafe Eskimo. So you have all the signs. Let's kind of see here. So I guess there's a big concert that everybody's attending. We're gonna go walk up into here and see. Look at all this. Take a look at this real quick. There's like people that go all the way up and down. Where did she go? Oh, there you are. So yeah, there's actually like people that go all the way down. So I don't know, there's people maybe going that way and this way. Which way should we go? Down the alley? Or should we go down this way? Yeah, so this is usually a street where there's usually cars everywhere, and instead we got crowds everywhere. So we're gonna just kind of walk down and just kind of see where they're all going. My daughter's pointing this way, so it looks like that is the gate over there. So it looks like it's gonna be at inside here, admissions. So you'd have to have a ticket, of course. So that's the admissions right there. End of the queues right there. And then we got lots of people everywhere. TDM News? Slowly turn the camera this way and check out TDM News. Where's TDM? Oh, they're right there. Huh. There's TDM right there. So we're capturing the event. It is pretty popular today. Well, what do you think? Should we walk around the side and take a look down that direction? Actually, kind of capturing all the people coming in. And actually, the streets are crowded throughout this Taipa village area. Taipa is a part of Macau, and the people, it's very, very crowded. Just all the different people around everywhere throughout the whole area. And we saw this a little bit when we saw Blackpink, because we also walked around in the the area as well. Let me just take a look at this real quick. That's kind of cool. Should we check out that spot? I think maybe they're coming around the sides. Oh, because it says standing room only, and they must go that way. So maybe they're going. Look at all these crowds all the way coming all the way up. What do you think about all this?
To me, it doesn't seem surprising.
Yeah. Let's go this way. So yeah, actually it looks a lot like the Blackpink concert, which we saw, I think that was December last year. That was more interesting. This one we don't really know what it is, right? But it's Korean. That sign said Mean Q in Korean.
I think it's just one of the
So we're kind of on the backside of Taipa, and there's a lot of people, and you can see them have these signs right there. That red sign that says Chun something Wu. So I didn't see the middle character, but Chun something Wu. So yeah, look, check out the shoes. These are some high platform shoes, right? Oh, then let me see. This one says Chunwan U. Interesting. No. So she covered up her face because it's probably illegal. So I think she's actually was selling those illegally. So I just wanted to see what it said. I was reading the Korean. But she kind of covered her face and walked away, didn't she? So it's probably not legal sales. So sometimes they'll have the venues like that, and they'll have the legal stuff inside. But I think the Blackpink, I don't think they had stuff inside. Well, they didn't really merchandise so much, but anyways, she walked away. So there's Wan Wu. So in English it said Wan Wu, but then in Korean it has Wan something Wu. Wan Chun Wu. Korean bands are popular. Oh. Let me just see. Can you see that over there? So I think that they're I think we're going over towards what's called standing room only, I think. So I think that that's why people are able to come over here. I did some dancing over there, some Korean dancing. We got some more over here too. Kind of cool, eh? Can we do some dancing in there? What else should we check out? So what do you think? You think Korea's pretty popular stuff in Macau? I think they got a lot of concerts that are coming in. They're promoting more and more Korean K-pop. Oh, I think this is you can just see. So it looks like they got some big crowds that they're expecting in this space. Huh. Let's continue on a little bit. One who. So it looks like we have another gate over here, so we'll see that in a moment. Oh, this is huh. So it looks like we came over on the well, I guess this is well, what do you think? Should we end the video, I guess? I guess we're gonna end it right there. So maybe we'll try to capture the crowds a little bit and then we'll do an end of the video. So there's another K-pop event and we kind of got an idea of a little bit of what it is. It's Wanwoo and it's bringing in a lot of crowds just like Blackpink did as well. Oh yeah. So over here you can see all the crowds. So okay, well, should we end this video? So we just saw Wanwoo and we're just kind of checking out and seeing what all the big event is going on in Taipa. We saw people absolutely everywhere. So on that note, we'll end it. Bye for now. And there's more. So actually we're on the other side. We kind of walked around the stadium. So this is actually one of Macau's stadiums. Olympic Stadium, I think it's called. And there's people pretty much everywhere. They're coming off of the buses, the trains. So there's 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.